Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a twisted updo. Stay tuned. This style was done on blow dried hair, and the first step is to section off a portion of the hair for the bang. Next I will be applying Eco Styler gel to slick down my hair in order to put in a ponytail. After my hair is in a ponytail, I'm going to be pulling out 3 sections of hair. One on the right side, one on the left side, and one in the back. The next product I will be using is the Lottabody Twist Me Curl Styling Pudding. I will be applying it to each small section of hair and then doing a simple 2-strand twist. After you're finished twisting all 3 sections, you are then going to take your ponytail and split it down the middle. Take one section and clip it off to the side. On the other section, you want to make sure it's detangled and brushed out, and then you are going to be applying your product. Once you have applied your product, you are then going to begin twisting the section of hair. You want to make sure you are twisting towards the bottom of the hair so that you can leave that space right there, because that is how you will get your volume when you pin it under for your bun. Next, you are going to take each section of hair individually and pin it downward towards the middle of your head. Apply as many bobby pins as needed to secure this section of hair. Next, I want you to section off 1/4 of the hair from the bang. Then you're going to split that section into 2 in preparation to do 2 more flat twists. As you can see, you should have a total of 5 2-strand twists, and now we are going to begin pinning those twists within the top part of the bun. Lottabody edge control and putting it around the perimeter of my bang. Now I'm going to 2-strand twist the bang and find which way I want to pin it. It did take me a few times to get this right, so just kind of play around with this section and pin it whichever way that you like. Lastly, I am going to be applying the edge control all the way around my head because, as you can see, I do have a little bit of fuzzy parts in my ponytail section, and so this will help with that. And then after that, I'm going to be applying a scarf to lay everything down. Last thing that I'm going to be doing is adding those cute little gold accessories to each twist. Of course, this step is optional, but it really makes the style come all together. So I would recommend that you do this with whatever hair accessory that you choose. And that is it. Here are the final results for the style. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to rate and subscribe and come hang out with me on my social media. Bye.